How to add REDSTONE token to Trust Wallet. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to add this token to Trust Wallet, just click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now, open the Trust Wallet, as you can see here. Now, what you need to do, I will just log into my wallet first. So now, as you can see, to be able to add this token, scroll down, click on Manage Crypto, click on this plus icon, and select the Ethereum from here to be able to add this token. As you can see, now paste the token address. This is our token, as you can see. Now click on Add Token. So to verify that you add this token successfully to your wallet, what you need to do, just scroll down until you find your token here called REDSTONE. So keep searching until you find it. As you can see, this is our token added successfully to our wallet. So this is how to add a REDSTONE token in Trust Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.